In this video, I'll guide you through how to remove a domain from Namecheap hosting. If you've connected a domain in the past and you're no longer using it, or you just want to clean up your hosting account, removing the domain is a simple process. I'll take you through each step slowly so you know exactly where to click and what to expect along the way. First, start by logging into your Namecheap account and heading to your main dashboard. This is the central area where you can see your products like domains and hosting plans. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the left-hand side of the screen for the option labeled Hosting List. This is where Namecheap keeps all the hosting plans associated with your account. Click on Hosting List. You'll now see a list of any shared hosting, reseller hosting, or other hosting packages you have. Next to the specific hosting plan that contains the domain you want to remove, you should see a button that says Go to cPanel. Click that button to open the control panel for that hosting account. After a moment, you'll be taken into cPanel. This is the main control area where you manage websites, files, databases, email accounts, and of course, domains. Once you're inside cPanel, take a moment to look for the section called Domains. The layout can vary slightly depending on the theme Namecheap is using, but there will be a section clearly labeled Domains. Inside that section, click on the icon or link simply called Domains. This opens the page where cPanel lists all the domains that are currently connected to that specific hosting account. These might include your primary domain, plus any add-on domains, subdomains, or parked domains you've set up. On this list, carefully find the domain that you want to remove. It's important to double check that you're selecting the correct one, especially if you host multiple sites on the same account. When you're sure you've found the right domain, look to the right side of that row and click the Manage option. This will open a detailed view for that particular domain. On this page, you might see various settings or information related to redirects, document routes, or DNS settings, depending on how the domain has been configured. For now, you don't need to change any of those. Instead, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. Near the bottom, you'll see a red button labeled Remove Domain. Before you click it, remember that this removes the domain from this hosting account's configuration. It does not delete the domain registration from your Namecheap account, but it will stop the site from working on this hosting plan unless you re-add it later. If you're sure you want to proceed and you've confirmed it's the correct domain, go ahead and click the red Remove Domain button. cPanel may ask you to confirm the action. If a confirmation message appears, confirm that you want to remove the domain. Once that's done, the domain will disappear from the list of domains for that hosting account and you're finished. That's all there is to it. You've successfully removed a domain from your Namecheap hosting.